Need to change the resolution or dimensions of a video. HandBrake makes it easy to resize videos for different screens, platforms, and file size requirements. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to resize videos in HandBrake in 2026. So let's get started. First, launch HandBrake and click Open Source. Select the video you want to resize and wait for HandBrake to load it. Before changing the dimensions, check the video's original resolution so you know exactly what you're starting with. Next, open the dimensions or picture settings in HandBrake. This is where you can control the video's width, height, cropping, and other picture-related options. The exact layout can vary slightly depending on your HandBrake version. Now enter the new width or height you want to use. If you want to make the video smaller, choose a lower resolution than the original. If you're preparing a video for a specific platform or device, choose a resolution that matches its requirements. Before continuing, check the aspect ratio. Keeping the original proportions helps prevent the video from looking stretched or squashed. Take a moment to review the preview dimensions and make sure the image still looks natural. Next, review the video quality and format settings. Resizing changes the dimensions, while your encoder and quality settings control how the final video is compressed. If you're trying to reduce file size, combining a smaller resolution with an appropriate quality setting can make a noticeable difference. Finally, click Start Encode and wait for HandBrake to finish. When it's done, open the new video and check its resolution, quality, and playback. So you've successfully resized your video using HandBrake, and that's how to resize videos in HandBrake. Open your video, adjust the dimensions, keep the aspect ratio correct, review the quality settings, and start the encode. Once you understand these controls, resizing videos for different devices and platforms becomes much easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.